welcome back to my channel, The Makeover Mom. I know it has been a minute. Today we're gonna get back into it. Let's keep moving along. Yeah, we just like blew through Thanksgiving, right? And we're on to Christmas. So today I have a Christmas decorations haul because I'm gonna be doing some very special decorating this year and I'm so excited to tell you guys about it. So let's see what I got. So first I picked up some of these garlands. I have a video that I'm going to be putting out about like the different kind of color schemes that you can do for Christmas because people always kind of stick with red and green and it's so fun to switch it up. And so this is one of the picks from that video. I thought, how cute are these, especially if you're like a rustic glam kind of decorator or farmhouse. I think these are super cute. I also picked up two of these pink tinsel garlands. I thought this was really cute and frilly too, and I can actually use this for my regular business, so lots of times I like to double dip on my shopping. Next, okay, so I really love like this whole like pom-pom thing, but I'm not about to sit there and make like 100 pom-poms. I just can't. Some people say it's relaxing. I don't think so. I think it's just time consuming. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, look at, oh my god, how cute and chic and like expensive do these look? It was $1 each. I got 3 of them and I was like, if you drape something like this, like especially if you like that kind of like expensive Pottery Barn-ish kind of look too. They had them only in white and red and green and I just got the white ones because I thought they looked more expensive. I also picked up these 2 pink strand garlands. These 2 like mauvey blush mugs. I want to do a pink Christmas cocoa bar this year. So I picked these up for that. I thought they were super cute. Next are some ornaments that I picked up. I also picked them up in pink and teal. Also picked up these clear ornaments. I was really so like impressed to find this shape right here. I have never seen this before. And then because I'm gonna be doing some colorful DIYs, I just picked up a lot of colorful little like ornament balls, this pack of like paper clips, loose sequins, these big gold Christmas trees. They actually reminded me of unicorn horns and I actually use these as my centerpiece. I just added some flowers to it for my unicorn spa party. I think I'm gonna be uploading some of the pictures to the blog, or maybe I'll make a little video. So I got these ones and then these ones. I also picked up this unicorn for $1. It needs like a little trim. They had really cute gift tags here and I picked these 2 up. Picked up some serveware, some like copper plate, and then these little mini stem wine glasses, so cute. Also these cute little doilies. Lastly, I picked up this glass. Hey you guys, thank you so much for watching to the end. Make sure you guys comment, let me know what your favorite product from today's video was. And if you guys like this kind of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or you just want to stick around and hang out with me a little bit more.